How to log into Milestone Credit Card online. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your Milestone Credit Card online account. So without any further ado, let's begin. First, what you need to do is open up a web browser. Any web browser is fine. And after you open it up, search for Milestone Credit Card online. After you do that, the first link that will open up, just tap on it. Now, after you tap on it, before I teach you guys the next step, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's continue. Now right here, what you'll need to do is type in your username, and after you type in your username, type in your password. Now, if your username and password are correct, tap on login and you'll get logged into your account. Now, if you don't have an account, there is also an option to register your account. Tap on it and create an account. If you have forgotten your username or password, just click on this link and you can recover your password and your username. So it's that simple, guys. That is how you can log in into your Milestone credit card. Thanks for watching. That is all for this video.